everybody, and welcome back to the Big Mukbang Theory. I'm KT, and today we're gonna make Moroccan roasted carrots. And for those of you who don't know where Morocco is, it's a country in North Africa. They use a lot of natural spices and a lot of natural herbs to get flavor into the foods. So we're gonna do that today. Let's get to it. Well, first things first, let's preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The ingredients for this dish are simple: carrots and lots of spices. Paya! So, item number one is carrots. I prefer to buy mine from Sprouts grocery store. It's a grocery store where you can buy a lot of natural foods, a lot of organic foods. And in this case, I was able to find a bag of carrots with a variety of colored carrots. And the first thing you gotta do is peel the carrots. You don't want these to have the outside skin. You wanna make sure that you peel them. I use my potato peeler, and that takes the skin off of them. And then I cut them into about 3 to 4 inch pieces. And then I cut them in half because I wanna make sure that they're small enough so that when they get cooked, they cook through. And once I've got all my carrots peeled and cut, then I cut my peppers. For this dish, I've added red chili peppers. They add that extra spice, that extra kick that makes this dish have the character of Morocco. You're also going to need about 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. So once you've got those items taken care of, set them aside, and then we can start to prepare the other things that we'll need. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Then add all the cut ingredients, including the carrots and the red hot chili peppers, into the bowl and coat them with your brown sugar and oil mix. Now add the contents of the bowl to a large cast iron skillet. That's my favorite, as you guys know. You'll also want to cover the skillet with aluminum foil for the first 12 minutes of cooking time. After the first 12 minutes, uncover the dish and continue cooking for another 18 minutes. Now, while that's in the oven, you're going to prepare your drizzle. In a small bowl, whisk 3 tablespoons of fresh orange juice. Next, add about 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. And the final ingredient for the drizzle is about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I use a micro grater to grate the cinnamon before adding it to the mixture. Once your carrots are done roasting, remove them from the oven and then add them to a large mixing bowl. Take the drizzle that you've prepared and mix that into the carrots. And remember that fresh cilantro. Add that to the dish as well. Once you've plated the carrots, top them with orange zest, using the same micro grater that you use for the cinnamon. The aroma from this dish will have your guests' mouths watering. And there you have it. Paya! KT's roasted Moroccan carrots. Well, we hope you enjoy making and eating your Moroccan roasted carrots. It's a flavorful dish, it's colorful, and even the kids will love it. So now you can get them to eat their vegetables. I'm KT, see you next time.